guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to do my third TN spread using this San Fran kit from Journals for Life. And I will also be using a sketch, a Traveler's Notebook sketch that you can find on the Facebook group right there from March 20th. It's super fun. It gives me the best jumping off point. So I look at the sketch, I look at my pictures, and I'm like, okay, which set of pattern papers should I choose? And then I'm off and running. Now, the wood grain paper that you see me using right there, that is one of the extra papers that are now available with our kits. I think they are so fun to add just a little bit of layering. And they also have this really nice little sheen to them. So it's giving us a slightly different bit of texture and dimension. Now I wanted to double map my photo, so I'm using another one of the papers, the little extras, using this hot pink tone, and it just all coordinates so incredibly well. Trimming that rather tight, and then I will go ahead and adhese it down, attach it down, I don't know, use my ATG and pop it onto this gorgeous wood grain piece of torn paper. We have that down. I'm also going to go ahead and tuck in the cutest washi. You can see right there, it's this nice colorful row of these like San Francisco looking houses. And guys, the washi that we get, it's really nice quality, but you get so much of it. Like you are going to have it for 5 million layout spreads. It's absolutely great. And just a little side note, I have used the pieces from Journals for Life in regular 12 by 12 scrapbooking before, and they work beautifully. So you can always go that route as well. Just wanted to bring it up. All right, so you see right here, I have the 3 houses on the bottom. The one in the middle, I popped up on just a little bit of foam so I can have some dimension. And I love this piece here. It says, love this photo. And it's giving me this nice little pop of black that I'm really vibing. I will go ahead and pop that up on the top there as well. Now, with all the color on these pages and with these fun little add-on papers, these layouts are coming together like crazy quickly for me. So, you know, my videos have been a little short when it comes to this month's TN, and I think it might be because I can make decisions in like 2 seconds with these kits. I like them that much. They are inspiring and they are fun. I can't wait to see what we get next month, all that kind of stuff. So I'm talking very fast and I sound like a used car salesman, but I'm very, very happy with them. So what else to tell you? I did a ton of stamping. There's the stamp for this month. My first and second layout, I believe. No, my first one. I did so much stamping. It was so fun. Now what you see here is the little stamp I put together, 2 different colors using Catherine Puller inks. And I put, I just layered them up on a scrap of textured cardstock. Conventional wisdom is to stamp on top of smooth cardstock, but I really like the texture that I get. So I popped on sequins here and there around my layout. Look at how chunky it is. It's fun. And then kind of in those circly windows of these pieces. And I love it. I don't know why. I was just thinking it was so cute. And I liked that addition of the sequins around the rainbow bits on the bottom. Okay, so now we have some still shots. Down below, I will have links for the Journals for Life store as well as the Facebook group so you can get your hands on these goodies. And remember to use the code Shannon20 when you order so you can get all of the good things. Okay, friends, that's it for now.